got a taster friend here.
Hello.
Taster friend.
Taster friend. He is quite tasty as well.
Thank you.
What's your surname?
Doran.
Doran, that's it. Thank you very much.
No worries. Do you have a loo that I could nip to? Do you have a loo at all?
Straight in there.
Is that still blinking? Yeah. Not that
Yeah, this guy then. Go crazy, yeah.
So you have to put it on, and then the first thing to do, I think, is to do this one up, and then the zip, and then those, and then I've got to see if I can lift you.
Can you lift me?
Well, I think it could be tighter.
I reckon I could lift you. I feel super buoyant right now.
Do you? I think it's supposed to be bigger than you, just a bit bigger than you, isn't it?
This is just a bit bigger than me.
Yeah, I would say.
Alright, cool. Excellent.
Right, hello mate, my name's Nutty.
My name's Al.
Al, hi. Get your arse in there. Bit tight at the moment.
Yeah.
That's fine.
I'm longer than this, I think.
That'll be the same. Let's try the big dog.
Seems like an appropriate name.
Tell me about it.
If there ever should be a better.
Right,
Almost.
okay.
If I take my shoes off, I might.
Right, okay. Out you come again then. Alright. Bigger.
Yeah. Oh, dude.
Straight away. Right, okay.
So much better.
Okay,
Now look.
happy? Right.
Yeah.
Perfect fit.
Okay.
Better because it's close to you and you can pull the Velcro off. Right, okay.
Get yourself comfortable.
So there's
Paddle, I'll give you a quick push.
Yeah.
Thanks, mate.
Put it through that bit.
Ready?
Yes.
Right, you enjoy yourself, mate.
Cheers, man.
Have fun.
You've got a better chance of quick releasing that than around your ankle.
That is physically attached. Go straight.
Once it goes, it goes.
What are you saying? Did you keep holding your phone? How do I swap boats with Steve?
You want to swap? Just go up onto the. Probably best come here, follow me. Out at exactly the same time. And remember, it's down like that. So your right foot's going to go down before your left.
Yeah. You're attached.
Start feeling.
Wait, no. Steve, how am I going to learn if I start off being a wuss?
Get your balance. Just get on and do it. Your feet are definitely in the wrong position. Back to knee bend. Find your balance. Find your core. Chi. You don't have a core. Yeah, you do. You used to be a powerlifter. Look at you, mate.
Yeah, but this is boring. I'm going to stand up now.
Right, stand up now then. You need to change your grip. Keep your knees bent. Knees bent. Let's surf some waves. Line-ish. I need to get close so I can start filming. He's going. Bend your knees.
You need a longer paddle.
Yes, dude.
Top of the paddle is going to extend. That's it, make your paddle longer because it's too short. Yeah,
That's it.
that's it. Right, there you go. There we are. Right, come on, turn me around now. That's
Just paddle on one side and stay paddling on that side.
Come wide. Wide.
What? Yeah, that's it. You got it. I'm glad you're going back in Steve's car.
Dripping naked, mate.
If one of you has to do it, you both have to do it though.